Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off magnification on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to accessibility. Okay, tap this. In accessibility, you can see the magnification on display portion. And okay guys, the magnification is off. Okay, to turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the magnification. And you can see the switch button on the right side. Okay, you'll have to do is switch on this to turn on the magnification on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, you'll have to do is turn off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off magnification on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.